Alright, you guys, welcome to the New Year's Full Body Blast. To start this off, we're going to be doing some hip thrust, favorite booty burning exercise. I use the resistance band for extra, on the booty. You don't need it if you don't want it. After you do this, you're going to go straight into single leg hip thrust. 8 on each leg. This is going to burn. Like, you are just going to be dying, because I certainly was when I was doing this. So you're just going to go 8 on each leg, do 3 rounds, 10 and 8 reps each. Next, you're going to go straight into our split squats. You want to use the same weight that you were using before. Put your foot up on the bench and go slow and controlled down and up, squeezing the glutes at the top of the motion. Don't forget to squeeze, because the squeeze is what's going to get you the booty that you want. If you're not squeezing, you're not activating the glutes. Do not forget the squeeze. All right, our next exercise is going to be a combo exercise of 2 lunges and then a squat. I'm using the same weight as the first 2 exercises. If you need to use body weight, do that. Start off where you are. You're going to do this for 3 rounds for about 10 reps each, just to get that booty pump, that body flowing, that heart rate up. Next, we're going to start hitting that back, because we need a sexy back for the hourglass figure. These are bent over barbell rows. You want to pull back and make sure you're squeezing the back as you're pulling. You want to activate those muscles in the back so you can have that nice sexy back for them straps and dresses. Okay. Next, you're gonna be doing deadlifts. Deadlifts is a compound exercise. It works the back, arms, hamstrings, all of that. So do deadlift straight after the bent over barbell rows. You want to do 3 sets of about 10 to 12 reps. My bad. Okay, next exercise is going to be back extensions. I'm using extra weight for extra resistance. You don't need to use this, but my back is rounded to add the extra to the top of the booty. You know, the top of the booty, you want to have that boom, put the cup on it. That's what that's for. Okay, next and last, we're going to be doing some cardio. We're going to do forward and back resistance band jump squats. Okay, do 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and then you're going to go straight into high knees with resistance. You're going to fill this all up in the legs and the booty. And that is the full body workout. Hope you enjoy. Bye.